Hello, this is the Braid Master. I haven't been did a video in a while, so I just want to come and show you guys my hair that I've done this year. This is called the old school braid, old school cornrows. I have two in the front on this side, two in the front on that side, and I have beads, and I hold my beads on with foil. And maybe one day I'll show you how I thread that on with a threader. But again, I have beads and this foil on the ends. Old school cornrows, as I call them. And here's what the back looks like. I have beads back here as well. And then I decided, okay, that I wanted to make a Gucci inspired headband. Bling bling. This headband was to me was so difficult to make. It's Gucci inspired. I bought the headband from a place out of New York online. And I got the rhinestones from eBay. There's so many tutorials online on how to make this headband, ladies. Anyone who would like to make it, there's a lot of videos online on how to make this headband. So I thought I would try it myself. And I had a difficult time trying to thread the rhinestones on. But I finally got them on, and I let them dry overnight, and this is what the band came out looking like. Gucci inspired headband. I used the 6000 glue, which is just the glue that I used. The other glue that I used was a 6000, but it was a little small too, and it wasn't sticking as much. This here too is a little more thickness to it, so I was able to glue the rhinestones onto the band with no problem. And once I started using this size glue, since this one here was a little thicker, it made it a little easier to put the rhinestones on the band. So what I did was measure my head all the way around, and then I laid the headband on a book, and then I started stringing the headbands from side to the rhinestones from side to side on the as the band was wrapped around the book. And so I thought it came out okay. This is what it looks like in the back. Like I said, there's so many tutorials online on how to make this Gucci inspired headband. And like I said, it's not too bad. That's what it looks like in the front. I can turn it to the sides. But it's really blinging, ladies. It's really blinging. I really like it a lot. And the next one I'm going to try, it's not going to be a Gucci inspired, but it's the same thickness as the band. The other band is going to be like a bluish, navy blue color. And then I'm going to try to put the rhinestones on. This size rhinestone is like a 4 millimeter or 4 mm. And the ones that are on the some of the videos that I saw, there were 8 mm. And I think that's what makes a difference, because the rhinestones are a little bit larger. But this is what, like I said, what it came out like, my Gucci inspired headband. And I'll be rocking this with my braids here, old school braids, old school cornrows. So I just thought I'd come on here and do a video since I haven't done one in a while. And I just had to try this Gucci inspired headband. Okay, ladies, that's it for today. The Braid Master is out. Peace.